Hi guys, I just got a package from Simply Smooth. They're one of my favorite hair care brands ever, and they gifted me their magic potion, which claims it fixes everything. It's basically a bond repair leave-in conditioner. So this is what my hair looks like right now. It is super dry and it just needs a lot of help. I bleach my hair every couple months, so it is really dead, and I'm really excited to try this out. So I'm gonna go shower like normal and then I will see you guys after. Okay, this is fresh out of the shower and I'm gonna see how well this works as a detangler. This says it does a lot of things. It says it does everything, including hydrate, detangle, rejuvenate, strengthen, repair split ends, smooth, defrizz, add, shine, everything. I'm just gonna do a few sprays on both sides. Oh my gosh, that smells phenomenal. It literally smells like the Sol de Janeiro body cream. And that is a detangling like a dream. I usually have to pull so hard. Oh my god, the smell. I can't get over it. I've always wanted the Sol de Janeiro leave-in conditioner, but I didn't know how like good it is for your hair. And now I have a super good product for my hair that smells just like it. Oh my god. Okay, first impression, my hair is so soft. And I know it's wet, but it never feels this soft and this detangled right out of the shower. I'm obsessed. And then this is also built in with thermal heat protectant. So I'm gonna go dry my hair and I'll be back. Okay, I just did a rough dry of my hair and all I have to say is the smell. Literally Sol de Janeiro, but better. And I could still smell it on my hair even after drying, which usually doesn't happen with my other leave-in conditioners. But also I have very low frizz right now, which is awesome for only rough drying. I give this a 9 out of 10. That's probably the highest I've ever rated a leave-in conditioner before, and I think it's because of the smell. Something about this smell, like, oh my gosh, I want to put on more. I seriously, like, cannot recommend this enough. My hair is so smooth and soft right now, and it just smells delicious. This is linked in my bio if you guys want to get it. I highly recommend. Thanks for watching.